Alright, we got a good one today. We got a leak. It's not with the meter, but I'm being told it's teeing off over there. So almost positive it's on the tee. Got a little speaker set up, got my tent, little canopy. There we go. Alright, we found the leak. It's right over there on the straight pipe shooting down. Right with the adapter over there, just a little past maybe like an inch past the adapter. There's the tee right over here, so the leak was not on the tee. So we gotta get these meter boxes out now. Alright, we got a successful install over here. 2-inch ProPress. Got the tee, got all the marks, couplings and stuff. NIP. Alright, got it all backfilled. Canopy saved my life. Unbelievable, undefeated once again. Just like the customer said, he said, look at this cans. Yeah, ridiculous.